so you can set the hook. When you set the hook, you're going to do kind of like a 45-degree strike on the rod, just lifting it up from waist height up towards your shoulder, really pulling hard on that to set that hook in there. Now, after that hook set, you're going to probably get a fish that's going to run. Let it take some line. If it starts running, just let your drag system do its work and let that fish peel off. When that line stops feeding out, start reeling back, right? You're going to start pushing against the fish and reeling it in when it slows down, and then when it goes off to take another run, just let your drag system do the work. Once you get near shore, you want to wade into the water a bit, and you're going to want to land that fish by grabbing the leader and pulling the leader in. If you grab the fish in the water, you're going to lose it, so you want to pull that thing right onto shore through the leader.
It's always good to have a pliers on you when you're out here. You guys have some fun on it. Here, show you. Nice little black tip. Let's see if we can get a couple more of these bad boys on. Yeah, that 5-foot brother of his the other day couldn't seem to land him, but we're going to try again. We'll catch these all day. All right, squid is probably the most universal and common surf fishing bait. This is going to be available all through the West Coast, the East Coast, the Gulf, and this is what you want to be using for, you know, kind of that smaller to mid-size species that's going to be more of a target game fish. So that's going to be, you know, your croaker, your spotted sea trout or weak fish, potentially snook and drum. Everything that's kind of under 24 inches, squid's probably the way to go. And you know, it's a little bit complicated and a little bit daunting when you first see it, right? But what we want is thin little strips, little triangular strips, right? We're not worried about all this extra junk, so we're just gonna pull this right off, right? We don't need this. This isn't gonna be helpful. It's gonna fall off. You can use it if you start running low on bait, but what you really want are thin triangular strips.